वह खेलती है,
She plays.
वह नहीं खेलती है,
She doesn't play.
क्या वह खेलती है,
Does she play?
क्या वह नहीं खेलती है,
Does she not play?
वह क्यों खेलती है,
Why does she play?
वह क्यों नहीं खेलती है,
Why does she not
वह
play?
खेल रही है,
She is playing.
वह नहीं खेल रही
She
है,
is not playing.
क्या वह खेल रही है,
Does she playing? Is she playing?
क्या वह नहीं खेल रही है,
Is she not playing?
वह क्या खेल रही है,
Is she playing?
वह क्या नहीं खेल रही है,
What is she not playing?
वह क्यों खेल रही है,
Why is she playing?
वह क्यों नहीं खेल रही
Why
है,
is she not playing?
वह खेल चुकी है,
She have playing.
she has played,
Played. She has played.
वह नहीं खेल चुकी है,
She has not played.
क्या वह खेल चुकी है,
Has she played?
क्या वह नहीं खेल चुकी है,
Had she not played?
वह क्या खेल चुकी है,
What has she played?
वह क्या नहीं खेल चुकी है,
What had she not played?
है जी ना,
What has she not played?
वह सुबह से खेल रही है,
She is playing.
she has been,
She has been playing since morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही है,
She has not been playing since morning.
क्या वह सुबह से खेल रही है,
Has she playing?
has she been playing,
Has she been playing since morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही है,
Had she not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्यों खेल रही है,
Why has she
Been
been
playing?
playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्यों नहीं खेल रही है,
Why has she not
Not
been
been-
playing since morning?
वह खेलती थी,
She
प्लेड,
played.
वह नहीं खेलती थी,
She didn't play.
क्या वह खेलती थी,
Did she play?
क्या वह नहीं खेलती थी,
Did she not play?
वह क्यों खेलती थी,
Why does she play?
why did she play,
Why did she play?
वह क्यों नहीं खेलती थी,
Why did she not play?
वह खेल रही थी,
She is playing.
she was playing,
She was playing.
वह नहीं खेल रही थी,
She was not playing.
क्या वह खेल रही थी,
Was she playing?
क्या वह नहीं खेल रही थी,
Was she not playing?
वह क्यों खेल रही थी,
Why was she playing?
वह क्यों नहीं खेल रही थी,
Why was she not playing?
वह खेल चुकी थी,
She had playing.
she had
She
played,
had played.
वह नहीं खेल चुकी थी,
She had not played.
क्या वह खेल चुकी थी,
Had she played?
क्या वह नहीं खेल चुकी थी,
Had she not played?
वह क्यों खेल चुकी थी,
Why had she played?
वह क्यों नहीं खेल चुकी
Why
थी,
had she not played?
वह सुबह से खेल रही थी,
She had been playing since morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही थी,
She had not been playing since morning.
क्या वह सुबह से खेल रही थी,
Had she been playing since morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही
Had
थी,
she not been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्यों खेल रही थी,
Why had she playing?
why had she
Why
been,
had
she been,
she will play?
she been playing,
She been playing since morning.
वह सुबह से क्यों नहीं खेल रही थी,
Why
why had,
had she not been playing since morning?
वह खेलेगी,
She will play.
वह नहीं खेलेगी,
She will not play.
क्या वह खेलेगी,
Will she play?
क्या वह नहीं खेलेगी,
Will she not play?
वह क्या खेलेगी,
What will she play?
वह क्या नहीं खेलेगी,
What will she not play?
वह क्यों खेलेगी,
Why will she play?
वह क्यों नहीं
Why
खेलेगी,
will she not play?
वह खेल रही होगी,
She will be playing.
वह नहीं खेल रही
She
होगी,
will be not playing.
she will not be
She
playing,
will not be playing.
क्या वह खेल रही होगी,
Will she be playing?
वह नहीं, क्या वह नहीं खेल रही होगी,
Will she not be playing?
क्या वह क्या खेल रही होगी,
What will she be playing?
वह क्या नहीं खेल रही होगी,
What will she not be playing?
वह खेल चुकी होगी,
She will have
प्लेड,
played.
वह नहीं खेल चुकी होगी,
She will have.
she will not have,
She will not have played.
क्या वह खेल चुकी होगी,
Will she have played?
will she have played, क्या वह नहीं खेल चुकी होगी,
Will she not have played?
played,
Played.
वह क्या खेल चुकी होगी,
What will she have played?
she have played, वह क्या नहीं खेल चुकी होगी,
What will she not have played?
वह सुबह से खेल रही होगी,
She will have
been
playing since morning.
वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही होगी,
She will not have been.
playing since morning, वह क्या वह सुबह से खेल रही होगी,
Will she
have been,
been playing since morning?
क्या वह सुबह से नहीं खेल रही होगी,
Will she not be playing?
not have been,
Will she not have been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या खेल रही होगी,
What will she be?
have been playing,
What will she have been playing since morning?
वह सुबह से क्या नहीं खेल रही होगी,
What will she not have been playing